Sorry if it's loud. I got the AC on. So I wanted to show this. Got my meter out. Hopefully what I just talked about doesn't confuse anybody. But so I just put this on, I don't know, I got it on the 20K, right? Resistance. So here's your typical marine plug wire. And if we go from one end to the other, we got no resistance.
Is that a video?
Yeah. I'll be done in a second. But if we take this one that we got from the auto parts place, thinking we could just use a plug wire, right there, 9.1 kilohertz resistance. So that's going to pull down your voltage. These will not work. So go get you some good marine wire. We got a Johnson. A Johnson. 20 horsepower. Something wrong with it. I don't have a clue what. Well, anyway. It's really nice, man. The guy redid it, refiberglassed the top, painted it, says he has a paint booth. Anyway, putting the stickers on it, looks great. I'm gonna do a compression test on it. I'm gonna take these plugs out. Normally, this indicates your number one plug wire. You know, it says up. But he's saying that they're not right, so we'll see. We have to take this off, take that off, and see what plug wire is going to. I mean, I believe him, but well, I don't know. I don't have a lot of battery life on this GoPro, so I don't know how far we're gonna get with this. I have to go out and charge it up. So either I can revisit it or whatever. I've got another job over there on the side. At some point I gotta get done. Well, and then why am I doing this? Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. It's just better to go ahead and. Man, I thought these were like JC4s. I'll look in the manual. About most of the time, yeah, it looks pretty funky, man. A little rust. It says J8C. I don't think that's right. Notice we got a little discoloration over here. Makes you wonder if we have a leak somewhere. It's what's caused all this. I don't know. Squirt it out. Screw it. I do got this. Just something to ground out the coils there. I guess can't really look and see if you got spark, and I guess I don't know. I can put it over here. Maybe I can look at it. He says it's got spark, so we'll see. Put a little 2-cycle oil in the cylinders. I might blow it out. Anyway, I'm a big fan of this one. This will work on this Johnson. Some of it, this won't work. See what happens. Guess I wasn't locked. Now we got it locked. Looks like 110. So that's okay. 110. See what happens in the bottom one. Just gotta remember that 110. So what's the bottom? Dang. Step one up. Three pulls. You want 10% of each other. That one's a little higher, about 118. Could go back to this one. Okay, so we did a compression test. We got 114 on the top cylinder. We got 118 on the bottom cylinder. Next stuff I noticed is, we got these tie wraps. Obviously somebody's been in here. What have they done? I don't know. Customer tells me, see, usually on your number one spark plug, they have this little, that's what tells you it's number one spark plug. But he's telling me there was out at 180 out, and then he put this like so on number one, and then it ran. We got to do an ignition job. That means we got to take this off. We got to take our flywheel off. Look at the points. See if we can figure out, which wire, which cable is going where. So this is going to be number one. Let's see if what he was saying is correct. Yeah, that's number one, and this is number two. Alright, so I don't know. I'm going to put the J4Cs in. We'll go from there. I got to look up what the gap I'm at.